I do appear for Lina.
Complainant and the counsel Renson, the head of the objected to the application by the DPP seeking withdrawal of the matter is submitted by the investigating officer to his clients and they are ready to trade in the courts of organization and made by the head of the victims. They have just been informed a day before the incident. A day before the matter was submitted. Submitted that his client had been arrested in Mombasa and not in Dubai, as claimed in the complaint. So the issue of examination before this court is whether the Director of Public Prosecution has the legal mandate and authority to seek the withdrawal of this case under Section 87A of the CPC. In deciding this application, it's important to consider the constitutional mandate, the Director of Public Prosecution, Under Article 157(6) of the Constitution, it states under the court, the Director of Public Prosecutions shall exercise state powers of prosecution and may C, subject to clauses 7 and 8, discontinue at any stage before judgment is delivered to any criminal proceedings instituted by the Director of Public Prosecutions or taken out by the Director of Public Prosecutions under paragraph B. And Article 157(8) states that the Director of Public Prosecution may not discontinue a prosecution without the permission of the courts. And that's Article 11, Article 157 of the Constitution, it states in exercising the powers conferred by this article, the Director of Public Prosecution shall have the right to the public interest, the interest of the administration of justice, and the need to prevent and avoid abuse in the legal process. These three elements put a responsibility on the DPP to ensure that such withdrawal is done in good faith and pursuit of fairness and justice. In addition, Section 25(1) of the ODPP Act provides as follows: the Director may, with permission of the court, discontinue a prosecution commenced with the Director, any person or authority at any stage before the given judgment. The Complainant's Counsel submitted that they had just been informed before the magistrate of the decision of the DPP. I have perused the court record. The note that I accused to plead on 6th of March 2025 with former colleague and CA Chituli. And this matter was placed before this court for the trial on 20th of March this year. And on the same dates, counsel for the accused, Mr. Shimaka, informed this court the DPP had indicated they might withdraw this matter against the accused. The prosecution advanced the reason before this court that after reviewing the evidence, we have formed the opinion this matter will be addressed and handled in the environment of court. The next issue here is the decision in tandem with the provisions of Article 157(11) of the Constitution. The prosecution advanced the reason that after reviewing the evidence, they formed an opinion that this matter be handled in the environment and land court. In my view, that is a justified reason to warrant approval. For avoidance of doubt, a withdrawal under Section 87A of the Criminal Procedure Code does not prevent the prosecution from bringing charges against the accused again based on the same facts in future. Therefore, the upshot is that the application by the Director of Public Prosecution seeking to withdraw the charges against the accused person under Section 87A of the Criminal Procedure Code is hereby allowed. The accused is hereby discharged without counsel.
The Archbishop will speak and the Pastor will speak. Bring for an order for the release of the Archbishop and the passport be posted in court.
Therefore, Your Honor, we are moving to the High Court, Your Honor, to have a chance to explain our position to our constitutional right. Your Honor, but the ELC court only deals with the occupational abuse of land and not trial of the crimes that the charges before court are. Therefore, Your Honor, the record will reveal that, Your Honor, the charge in this matter was registered last year in May. And Your Honor, since last year in May, Your Honor, you will not record. It was explained that the accused was in Dubai, was abroad. The DCI issued a red notice to Interpol and a stop order to migration. Therefore, it is not true he was arrested in Mombasa. He was arrested in Dubai. It is just that when the Ethiopian Airlines stopped by Mombasa, he disembarked, promptly arrested, and put on SGR under armed escort because the plane had already left for Nairobi. So, Your Honor, the record is very clear. The IO told the court, I have issued a red notice to Interpol, a stop order to migration. So, Your Honor, if the passport is released, we will never see him again. So I'm praying, Your Honor, that you kindly stay, Your Honor, for 14 days to enable us move the High Court appropriately. No prejudice with the location accused. He has been in Kenya since he was deported back. He has walked around freely, and therefore 14 days is not a lot of time for him to wait. That is our prayer.
We intend to seek further proceedings can get the issues of the court.
Even in my right of reply.
Yes, I've listened keenly to my colleague's response in objection to my request, and I wish to categorically state the reason that he has advanced cannot stop this court from releasing a travel document and cash bail that was paid in this court. Your Honor, to me, the moment this court has accepted the withdrawal of the charges, the court is filed as official. there will be no basis for the court granting further orders of retaining a passport and cash bail. There will be no basis for the same. Your Honor, the other allegations that have been made by my colleague, there are no extradition proceedings before this court. That indeed my client was extradited back to the country. And the record will bear witness, I've always stated my client was arrested when he was coming back to Kenya, and I escorted him back to this court, which lead the judges have always been under indication of withdrawal and have been withdrawn. It is my prayer that if the country wants to enjoy their right of appealing on a decision, it should not be as the punishment of the suspect, who is no longer than a suspect at the moment. I pray that the cash pay and the passport be released. And you know the government has very parameters to retain him. They can even arrest him outside the court if they want, if they so wish. But so long as there are no charges, the passport and the cash pay should be